Hi everyone, it's Connor here and welcome to Costa Rica. G'day everyone, Connor here. How cool is this? You look around, this is an open air event that we're having on the Latin America tour as part of the Oracle Groundbreakers tour. The keynotes and stuff were done literally outside today in this beautiful open air university that we've got here in Costa Rica. It's about a 5-minute drive or 10-minute drive from the hotel today, and when we got here I was thinking, that's a bit strange, maybe we're not at the venue yet, but it's fantastic. We've got over 100 plus people here, and the fact that we could actually sit outside in this beautiful, fantastic weather and still participate in a technology tour is awesome. Yesterday when I was here in Costa Rica, I went up to one of the volcanoes on one of the tourist traps, had a driver who took us on this fantastic drive up to over 3,500 meters or 11,500 feet for those who work in the old system. Our ears were popping all the way up, but once we got up there, the views were just absolutely breathtaking, absolutely fantastic. I've been doing some talks mainly on SQL today, and the first one I did was on SQL features, followed by one on pattern matching. And in terms of people's ability to be passionate about technology, it blows me away that pattern matching, which is perhaps one of the newest and potentially one of the most complicated topics to really get into, people were keen to go to a pattern matching talk in a language that wasn't even local to them. So we had people who were Spanish speakers sitting in on my English talk on the nitty-gritty of pattern matching. Their ability to comprehend that in a foreign language just absolutely blows my mind. I still struggle to comprehend with pattern matching in even my own slides, so let alone people being able to comprehend it in a foreign language. Just so impressed with how people can be bilingual to that degree. One thing it did reveal though was even now people are still coming to grips with the basic analytics, the functions that you have access with analytic functions in terms of the over clause. So if you're interested, check the link below. You can jump onto my 30 video tutorial series on analytics that hopefully you can get some benefit on doing. But I figured rather than bore you with tech talk, I thought I'd give you a little tour around this venue just to show you how cool it is. Just one moment. So let's head downstairs. This is where the sessions are being held. We've got some interviewing going on at our left.
Mi nombre es Rita Núñez, soy Oracle Director de Buenos Aires, Argentina.
We've got some of the amazing Costa Rica coffee here. They're selling organic coffee. The coffee everywhere we've been so far is fantastic. Here are some of the volunteers that have been looking after us. And these are the rooms where everyone are having their sessions. So we can come along, poke our head in, we can see we've got sessions going on in there. Here we have one of the hosts actually, Eddie, who's doing a talk on Apex. And there we have Pablo, our Latin America contact. We have Javid here working on his phone. But as you can see, it's a beautiful outdoor setting, fantastic greenery, and what a fantastic place to hold an event. It's raining pretty hard in Costa Rica.